Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. I'm gonna start in a comfortable kneeling position, just opening my legs a little bit. You can sit however you feel comfortable as you lift your right arm up and over, coming into a side body stretch, and that left arm is just behind you or at your side. Switch sides. Let's come back to center as you interlace your fingers, pressing your palms forward with the arms straight. Lift your arms overhead as you look back, arching your back. And now you round your spine, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Again, we reach up and back, arching our back. And you round your spine. Let's reach up and back one more time. And we come into our tabletop on our hands and knees. And we go back into those cat-cows. So you arch your back looking up, and then you round your spine, tucking the chin in towards your chest. And you just repeat that at your own pace. Come back to your neutral tabletop as you reach your right arm up towards the ceiling and you take some circles with your hand and your wrist. Thread the needle by sending your right arm behind your left wrist. Continuing to pull your left hip back so that your hips are in line. And lengthening your spine. Let's reach the right arm up one more time, and let's reach back behind us. Lower that right hand, and we lift our left arm, taking some circles with the hand and the wrist. And you thread the needle. Lift your left arm up one more time as you reach back behind you. And lower that left hand. Make your way onto your belly, coming into a Sphinx pose. The legs are open and you're pressing through your forearms and your elbows as you shine your chest forward. Drop your chin towards your chest. And bring your right ear to your right shoulder. And now left ear, left shoulder. Again, right ear, right shoulder. Left ear, left shoulder. Come back to center. Let's bring our hands closer to our ribs now, coming into a cobra pose as you start to straighten your arms and maybe drop your head back. We come into a child's pose, sitting the hips back onto the heels. Walk your hands over to the right maybe placing your left hand on top of your right. Walk your hands to the left. And let's come back up. And we're gonna make our way into a seated position with our legs crossed. Circle your arms up overhead, touching your fingertips at the top, sitting up very tall. And now press your palms up and out as you lower your hands. Let's do that again. So we lift the arms, touching at the top. Flip your hands, press those palms all the way out and down. Let's reach up again, touching at the top. And we twist to the left, looking over that left shoulder, and your right hand is on top of your left knee. Keep your right hand where it is as you lift up and over with your left arm, coming into a side body stretch. And walk your hands forward, coming into a cross-legged forward fold, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Make your way back up as you circle your arms up overhead. Sit up tall and twist to the right. Right arm lifts up and over for your side body stretch. Walk your hands forward for your forward fold. And we come back up, placing our hands on our knees, lifting the shoulders all the way up to the ears, and then roll your shoulders back and down. And let's do that one more time. And now you just reverse those shoulder circles. So lifting the shoulders and then pushing them to the front and down. And you do that one more time. Relax your shoulders as you lower your right ear to your right shoulder. And you can place your right hand on top of your head, reaching your left arm out to the side. Switch sides. Let's bring our chin forward towards our chest, clasping our hands behind our head, giving ourselves a bit of a neck stretch here. And maybe you lower the elbows down onto the thighs. And we come back up. Send your torso to the right, and now you lean forward and to the left. And now back, you round your spine. Let's do that one more time. And now you just reverse those body circles, going in the opposite direction. Come back to center as you reach your arms up one more time, sitting up tall. And you bring your hands to heart center for a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.